Hello humans, and this is our daily news of the week. That doesn't make sense. Mattel's remote-controlled Cybertruck comes with its own cracked windows thing. Does this actually have an article about it? It does. Oh god, it's... Tesla and Mattel have partnered to create two limited time only remote control cars. The one is a 1 to 64 model, 3 inches long, which costs $20, and the 1 to 10 scale is $400. These items won't ship until December 2020. Elon Musk smashed the bulletproof windows on his prototype Cybertruck, so now you can do it net too. In partnership with Tesla, toy maker Mattel has created two remote control Cybertrucks, and larger of the two comes with a final cracked window sticker, a nod from Infinite's mishap from the real truck's reveal in November 2019. While Tesla's actual electric pickup isn't expected to be available until next year, fans are polarizing the very angular truck will only need to wait until December for these miniature versions, Mattel said. I would see Hot Wheels doing that. The 1 to 64 scale model is 3 inches long. It's the same size as a traditional Hot Wheels car, so it can be used with any of Mattel's car tracks, the toy maker said. It costs $20 and will be available until all of its units are sold out. The 1 to 10th scale RC car will set you back and is a hobby-grade ratio-controlled vehicle that is off-road and rugged terrain capable, and can reach up to 250 mile an hour scale speed, about 25 miles an hour, Mattel said. It also has functioning headlights and taillights and a telescopic tailgate. Oh, cool. The limited release of the vehicles are available for the pre-order, but won't ship until December. Let's see Tesla Cybertruck. Cybertruck Hot Wheels. Not memes. Images. Well, these are all the Hot Wheels ones so far. I don't care about your things. I just want to see it. A Tesla Model X, a Tesla Model X, a Tesla Model X, a Tesla Roadster, a Tesla Model S. There's X and S, and also a Roadster. Wait, what? This is a thing? Can you be not as pixelated? Wake up. Rolling. The first car to orbit the sun. And also there's an ID one. Whatever ID means. I do not like how that looks. And Supreme. Why? There's a 1 to 30 scale Tesla Cybertruck that is probably molded. There's only 4 available, and over 20 people have this in their cart right now. Oh, that looks so good. So cool. It's great quality print. Fast processing and delivery time. I would definitely recommend this product to shop. Okay. Well, this should be it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell if you want to watch other videos. And bye. And also you should get this one. This is actually a Tesla.
Okay, so are you done recording?
No.
Oh.
That's a Tesla. These are actually really good models. XTB, the Model X, the Model S. At least I think. Those look really nice. That's an actual... Oh, you can actually have a... Oh, cool. So can you have it like WASD? I'm gonna make it like more... Yeah, Mar 37. If I ever get this, this is the license plate number. Don't autocorrect it. It's a license plate. Do you get that? May 9/13. If I ever get that. You get a 4-star review. Well, that should be it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. Bye.